Hello and welcome to another episode of Microwave Me. Today, I'm going to microwave cherries. Something I've wanted to do since season 1, but haven't had the means to until now. And little by little, I'm finishing off the produce section. There aren't too many items left. I have a feeling these will be even more uneventful than that watermelon I did. Let's place the cherries on the plate. Put them in the microwave. Let's get microwaving. 2 minutes. Wow, those cherries generated a lot of steam. Let's see here. Got some instant hot cherries and you got some cherry juice. I'll say this is a good idea if you ever want to quickly extract the juice from the cherries and you want warm cherry juice and warm cherries. This is a way to go about it. I'll say this is a pretty good idea. Tasty idea.